Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you my Envoy leather MacBook sleeve. This MacBook sleeve is really well made, so you can tell just by looking at it and feeling it that it is genuine leather. It definitely feels supple, it smells like leather, so I love that it's high quality. I like that the inside is made with this gray wool type material, so it's really soft against your MacBook. It also has really good stitching on the sides. You can see that it's perfectly straight. This one is well made. It does have some cushion as well, so it also offers protection for your MacBook. I was afraid that my husband's 16-inch MacBook wouldn't fit because he has a hard case on it. With or without the shell on the MacBook, it still fits perfectly. So I'm so happy with the size. I'm glad that it fits snugly, and I like that it offers protection. This sleeve is fantastic. My husband loves it. It fits his MacBook perfectly, and it provides protection while also looking really elegant. You just can't go wrong with this Envoy leather MacBook sleeve. And that's my point of view.